See, now you were converting centimeter to millimeter, meter into centimeter, all this you are doing. Now addition, you are going to do addition now. You are going to do addition. See, now 8 meter, 50 centimeter. So this you have to write like this, here meter and centimeter. 8 meter and 50 centimeter, 6 meter and 70 centimeter. Now, so what is the thing you have to do is 8 meter, 50 centimeter and 6 meter, 70 centimeter. Now how will you do it? This is normal addition. So now what you do? 0 plus 0 is what? 0. 5 plus 7 is what? 12. Now what you have to do? You have to put 1 here. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is how much? So 15. So what is the answer? What will you write? It is 15 meter and 20 centimeter. See, this is normal addition, you do it. See, but actually, you're mathematically, now how you have to do is 50 plus 70 is what? 120 centimeter. You got 50 plus 70, you got 120 centimeter. Now, how will you convert this 120 centimeter into meter? You will write 120 divided by 10. I think I told you. See, you are just dividing by 10. Now, how will you divide it? You will divide by 10, you will have how much? It is 20. You will divide 20. It is 20 meter. Right. Now, 20 meter you will write. That is 1 meter. I am sorry, it is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. This is how you will write 1 meter and 20 centimeter. I am sorry, it is 1 meter and 20 centimeter. So when you just do it 1 meter and 20 centimeter, this 1 again I told you this 20 you have to write it here, and this meter 1 meter will be added here. So you have to add this and do. But I think this method will be easier for you to do it. So don't get confused with this method at all. This is converting all that. In between addition, don't do all this, because actually mathematically this way you have to do. But for you to just do it little bit fast and to understand, I think this way will be easier. This is how you have to do your addition. Now they have given try this. Try this. Now first sum they have asked you to add. Now always when you do it in your classwork, you always have to, what do you have to do? Meter, centimeter, all that you have to do it like this. Meter, centimeter. You have to see whether it is meter, centimeter or kilometer, meter. Like this you have to differentiate and do it. Is it clear now? So meter and centimeter, I think first sum they have given meter and centimeter. How many meters you have given? 20 meter. Now how many centimeters you have given? 35 centimeter. Now what is how, with what you have to add? You have to add with 30 meter and 32 centimeter. Am I right or not? First sum. Right. Very good. Now how will you do? 5 plus 2 is what? 7. And 3 plus 3 is what? 6. Here 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 plus 5 is 5. So now what will you write? 50 meter and 67 centimeter. 50 meter and 67 centimeter. So this is how you have to do. Now next sum. What is the next sum they have given? What is the next sum? Meter, again meter and centimeter. Always what you have to do is you have to look into the sum what they have given, whether it is given in meter, centimeter or kilometer, meter. You just write it on the top. Now what is the second sum they have given? 16 meter, 35 centimeter. Now what is it, with what you have to add? 25 and 35. That is 25 meter and 35 centimeter. Now can anyone tell me how will you add it? 5 plus 5 is 0, 1 here, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. Now here 6 plus 5 is 1, 11, 6 plus 5 is 11, just put 1 here, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. So what will you write? 41 meter and 70 centimeter. So this is how you have to do it. Are you clear now? Now next sum. What is the next sum they have given? What is the next sum? They have given kilometer and meter. Now we did meter and centimeter. Meter and centimeter. Now you have to do kilometer and meter. Am I right or not? Kilometer and meter. So what is it? 4 kilometer, 600 meter. Now what is it? 5 meter and 500 meter. Now what you have to do? You have to add, because all these sums only additionally. So now what will you do? 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 5, 11. Now you have to put 1 here. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Now what will you write here? Can anyone tell me? Yes, very good. It is 10 kilometer and 100 meter. See, always when they ask to do addition, always whatever, whether it is kilometer or meter or centimeter, write on the top and then do the addition sums. Then I think that will be easier for you to write. Okay, now fourth one. What is the fourth sum they have given? What is the fourth sum? Same way, it is kilometer and meter. Immediately write on the top. Okay, 7 kilometer and 800 meter. With what you have to add? 3 kilometer and 400 meter. Now can you tell me how will you add? 0, 0. 8 plus 4 is what? 12. Very good. 7 plus 1 is what? 8. 8 plus 3 is what? 11. Now what will you write here? It is 11 kilometer and 12 meter. So this is how you will do. Don't get confused with what I taught you, like how you will convert. See, just straight away you start writing, adding it, and what you do. But only thing is, what you have to do is, when you write the answer or when you start the sum, you always write meter, centimeter, and then start doing your sums. And final answer also you have to write how much meter, how much centimeter. This you have to be very clear when you do your addition sums. See, the next one, what is it given in your book is your statement sums. Am I right or not? Now normal addition you did. Am I right? Addition you did. Now next one, you're going with your statement sums. Now what do you mean by statement sums? Anyone can tell me? You call it as word problems. They will be given some problems, statement problems, where you have to read the question carefully and do it. See, in the statement problems, Gopal's father, he bought 2 meter, I'll write here statement sums. I'll write statement sums. You have to be very careful. Previously I did normal addition. Now we are going to do with statement problem. So what did Gopal's father buy? 2 meter and 50 centimeter of cloth. What did he buy? Cloth he brought 2 meter and 50 centimeter for a shirt. Now for himself he bought. Now 1 meter and 50 centimeter he brought for Gopal. So what is a statement sum? It is given. That is Gopal father. He went to a shop. And for himself, he bought for a shirt 2 meter and 50 centimeter. Now for Gopal, he brought 1 meter and 50 centimeter. Now what is the question they have given? What is the total length? So what is the question here? Total length. Total length of cloth he bought. Because totally they have to pay the money. Am I right or not? Because together, this one he bought for himself and this one he bought for Gopal. Now what you have to do? They have asked the question is total length. Now what will you do total length? Very good. You have to add it. Now how will you add it? Immediately put like this. Now here what you have to do? Meter, here centimeter. Very good. Now what will you write here? 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 0. Here you have to put 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. So what you have to write answer? The total length, how much you bought? Total, now like this you have to write. Total length is, now what will you write? Total length is 4 meter. So this is how you have to do your statement sums. Am I right? Are you clear now with the sum? This is, you have to add always when you write, when you want to add, the heading should be on the top, write it. And the answer also should be very clear. Now next sum they have given is the distance between Chennai and Tiruchi. So what is the next sum is? Chennai and Tiruchi. Statement, Chennai and Tiruchi is 320 kilometer. So what they have given is the distance. So the distance from Chennai and Tiruchi, it is 320 kilometer. Now what is the sum they have given? The distance between Chennai and Tiruchi is 320 kilometer, and Tiruchi and Madurai. I am sorry, I am writing like this T and M. Tiruchi and Madurai, it is 120 kilometer. Now what is the sum they have given in your book is the distance between Chennai and Tiruchi is 320 kilometer. Tiruchi and Madurai, it is 120 kilometer. Now what is the question they have asked is, what is the distance between Chennai and Madurai? What is the distance between Chennai and Madurai? Now what you have to do? Now how will you do this? Distance. See, these are all what you call it as statement sums. Just like that, you can't write like this. You have to write with statements. So, distance between Chennai and Tiruchi. I am sorry, I am making it a C and T, but you are not supposed to write C and T. You are supposed to write Chennai and Tiruchi. Now, what is the distance between Chennai and Tiruchi? It is 320. Now, where on the top what you have to write? Very good, kilometer. Now, what is the next thing you have given? Distance between, what is the next one they have given? Distance between T and M, that is Tiruchi and Madurai. How much it is? 120 kilometer. Now, what you have to do it? They have asked for you to find out the total. So, when they asked you to find a total, means, now what you have to do? You have to add it. What you have to do? You have to add. Now, what is 0 plus 0? 0. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. Now, what will be, what you have to write now? Answer. The distance, or, now what will you write? Total. What is the question they have asked, my dear? What is the total distance between Chennai and Madurai? So, you have to write like this. Total distance between Chennai and Madurai. Chennai and Madurai is what? Is 440 kilometer. See, this is how you have to do your statement problems. See, whenever your statement problem, first thing what you have to do is you have to read the sum very carefully. You have to read. After reading it, whether you have to see what question they have asked. You have to read the question. See, these things they have given. Now, what is the thing they have asked in the question? You have to find the total distance between Chennai and Madurai. So, in statement problems, you have to clear. See, for one way I can tell you. You can write distance between Chennai and Tiruchi, or you can say length of Chennai and Tiruchi is equal to 320. Length of Tiruchi and Madurai is 120. Whatever it is given in your book, you can just copy the same thing. Distance between Chennai and Tiruchi is 320. In the book it is again given Tiruchi and Madurai, distance between Tiruchi and Madurai is 120. So you have to add, and finally the question, what is the total distance? So the question you have to write here, the total distance between Chennai and Madurai is 440 kilometer. So this is how you have to do the statement sums in your addition. The next one, can we go on with subtraction? Very good. I think addition you are clear now. So you have to add, and always when you add, before you start with your addition, now what you have to do, first thing, basic thing, you have to write the heading, what they have given, either meter, centimeter, kilometer, meter, all that you have to be very clear now. Now can we go on with subtraction? Very good, subtraction. Just one thing I'll tell you how you have to do subtraction. See, 35 meter, 40 centimeter from what is it? 40 meter, this is the sum they are given in your book. 40 meter and 35 centimeter. Now, they have given us subtract 35 meter, 40 centimeter, subtract from 40 meter, 35 centimeter. Now, what will you do here? You have to write this one, because from this. So, what will you write? Immediately, what you have to do? Meter, centimeter. Very good. Now, here what will you write? 40. 40 is the thing, you know, you have this from, you have to, this with this, you have to minus it. So, 40 meter, and what is the centimeter here? 35. And what is the meter here? 35. And what is the centimeter here? 40. Now, what you have to do here? Subtract. Immediately put the symbol here. What is 5 minus 0? It is 5. And what is 3 minus 4? Because you cannot minus. So, immediately what you will do? You will borrow. You will borrow and this will become 9. What is 13 minus 4? 12, 11, 10, 9. You will have 9. Now what is 9? Because 1 you have borrowed, this 10 will become 9 here. What is 9 minus 5? Very good. 4. What is 4 minus 3? It is 1. Now what will be the answer you have tried? You have tried 4. I'm sorry, they have borrowed here. I'm sorry. See, what you have to do is, see, they have already borrowed from here. This is Z10. So they have borrowed. So this will become 3. So 3 minus 3 is 0 only. I'm sorry. Now what you have to do? You have to write 4 meter and 95 centimeter. See, I'm sorry, when you borrow, when you do borrowing sum, you have to be very careful. So when you borrow, when you are borrowing it from here, this 4 will come to 3, and so 3 minus 3 is 0. So you will write 4 meter and 95 centimeter. This how you have to do the sum subtraction. See, next one we will go on with subtraction. So we have finished addition. Now we are going to go with subtraction. See, subtract 35 meter and 40 centimeter from what? 40 meter and 35 centimeter. 35 centimeter. Now what you have to do is, immediately, I told you in addition sum itself, you have to write like this, meter and centimeter. Now what you have to do, because with this 40 meter you have to subtract this. So you will write 40 here and 35 centimeter here. So 45 meter and 35 centimeter. With what you have to subtract? 35 meter and 40 centimeter. Immediately put minus here. So what is 5 minus 0? 5. Now 3 minus 4 you can't do. So immediately you have to borrow. So this will become 9. This will become 3. Because you are borrowing from here again. So this will be 13. What is 13 minus 4? It is 9. And 9 minus 4 is what? 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. So don't put anything. What you have to write here? 4 meter and 95 centimeter. So this is how you have to do your subtraction. So in your book they have given, try this. See, actually same way what I told you, in addition, converting centimeter into meter. Don't do that because little confusing it will be. This way you can go ahead. Try this. Subtract the following. First sum is 15 meter 25 centimeter minus, now immediately, I'm sorry, what you have to do first sum, immediately you have to put meter and centimeter because the sum is meter and centimeter. So immediately 15 meter and 25 centimeter. With what you have to minus? You have to minus with 10 with 85 centimeter. So now what you'll do here? 5 minus 5 is 0. This will become 12 and this will become 4. You're borrowing it. So what is 12 minus 8? It is 4. And 4 minus 0 is 4. So you write 4 meter and 40 centimeter. Is it clear now? Now next, second sum. What is the second sum? 28 meter and 30 centimeter. So what you have tried in the heading here? Immediately meter, centimeter. You have to be very clear with this. Now 28 meter and 30 centimeter. With what you have to minus? 25. Am I right? 25 meter and 55 centimeter. Now you have to put here minus. So what is it here? 0. So immediately you are borrowing. This will become 12 and this will become 7. So here this will become 10. What is 10 minus 5? It is 5. What is 12 minus 5? 12 minus 5 is what? 7. And what is 7 minus 5? It is 2. So it is 2 meter and 75 centimeter. Is it clear now? 2 meter and 75 centimeter. Now third sum. What is the third sum they are given in here? Try these. Again kilometer and centimeter they have given. Kilometer and centimeter. Now what you have to do is, you have to write kilometer and meter. Now this sum, what you have to do is kilometer and meter. See, 75 kilometer and 300 meter. 75 kilometer and 300 meter. And down, with what you have to minus it, it is 38 kilometer and 750 meter. Now what will you do here? What will you do here? 0 minus 0 is 0. The 0 you cannot, again you have to borrow. This will become 12 and this will become 10 and this will become 14 and this will become immediately 6. Come down. So what is 10 minus 5? It is 5. And what is 12 minus 7? It is 5. What is 14 minus 8? It is 6. 6 minus 3 is 36. So what will you write? 36 kilometer and 550 meter. Now what is the next sum they have given? Second sum. Subtract 860 kilometer, 750 meter from what? 900 kilometer and 300 meter. Now how will you do this? Immediately, now what will you write? Kilometer and meter. Now what? You have to subtract this with this. So you write immediately 900 and 300 here. 900 kilometer, 300 meter. And here it is 860 kilometer and it is 750 meter. Now what will you do? Minus. So the 0 minus 0 is 0. This will become 10 and this will become 12. This will become 9 and this will become 9. This will become 8. Now what is the answer? 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 12 minus 7 is 5. Now what is 9 minus 0? 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 8 is 0. So you will write 39 kilometer and 550 meter. 39 kilometer and 550 meter. So this is how you have to do your subtraction, which is given in your book. See the next one, I think you can go on with your statement sums. Am I right or not? Did you understand normal subtraction? That is, you have to write the heading always on the top. Whether it is meter, centimeter, kilometer or meter. Now next one, we go on with your statement sums. So I think addition, I told you what is statement sum. You have to read the full sum. What is it given? Then only you can go ahead with your sums. Are you clear now? What is the statement sums first we have given? See, in a school, the distance between the gate and the principal's office. So you must be knowing it from the gate, from the school gate to the principal office. It is 400 meter and 75 centimeter. So what is it given? 400. So first thing, what is it given? Distance between, immediately you have to write, because I told you statement sums means you have to write like this. Distance between gate and principal's room. Now what is it? Here what will you write? Because it is given in meter and centimeter. It is given in meter and centimeter. Now what will you write here? It is first between the distance between the gate and the principal's room, it is 400 meter and 75 centimeter. Now what is the next thing they have given in that sum itself? A boy has walked 200 meter and 50 centimeter. Now what will you write? Distance. He has walked. The distance means what? The length what he has walked. So it is distance walked by the boy from the school to the gate. So walked by the boy. So what is the distance walked by the boy? It is 200 meter and how many centimeters? It is 50 centimeters. So now what you have to do it here? Immediately read the next question what they have given. What distance does he have to walk further? That means what? How much he has to walk further? There you have to minus it. Put immediately minus. Because how much distance he has to walk further? Because he has just covered only 200. Remaining is here. So that means what you will do? You will subtract. So you have to put subtract. What is 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. What is 4 minus 2 is 2. So now what will you write answer? The distance to be covered. It has to be covered, no? This much distance has to cover. Distance to be covered is 200 meter. You have to be very careful. It is meter and 25 centimeter. This is how you have to do your statement sums. Okay, is it clear now? So distance between the gate and the principal's room, meter, centimeter, all this you have to do. You have to subtract. And lastly, the question, what question they have given, you have to write in the statement, the word, you have to write in statement and then write the answer what you have got it here. Now next sum, one more sum they have given as a practice. See, mother bought a roll of ribbon. You know what is a ribbon? You to tie your hair. To tie your hair, what she did is she bought 10 meter. So what is the next sum they have given is mother, what she did? She bought a ribbon measuring 10 meter. If she cuts a piece of ribbon measuring 2 meter and 50 centimeter. So now what I have to do is now meter and centimeter you have to write now immediately, because at first in that sum it is given meter and centimeter. Now what is the first thing she is given? The mother bought a roll of ribbon. So now you have to write total. Now what you have to write? Total length of the ribbon. Length of the ribbon. Now what is the total length of the ribbon? It is 10 meter, no centimeter. So immediately you can put 0, 0 centimeter. Is it clear now? Now what she has given next line? If she cuts a piece of ribbon measuring 2 meter. So you can write cut, the ribbon cut, or the length of ribbon cut. You can write length of ribbon cut. What is length of ribbon cut? It is 2 meter and 50 centimeter. So now what is the question they have asked? You have to read the question. What is the remaining length of the ribbon? So what is the remaining length of the ribbon? See, total length is 10. This length she has cut it. The ribbon she has cut 2. Now what is the remaining? So you have to immediately what you have to do? Put minus. What is 0 minus 0? 0. This will become 10 and this will become 9. So 10 minus 5 is what? 5. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. So what is the answer? It is 7 meter and 50 centimeter. Now what is a final answer you will write? The remaining length of ribbon. Remaining length of ribbon is what? Remaining length of ribbon is 7 meter and 50 centimeter. This is how you have to do it. Your statement sums. First thing what you have to do is read the sum and then start doing it. This is how you have to do it.